Hello, and welcome to the second topic on why paid traffic is better than free traffic. In this video, I'm going to let you know the reason why paid traffic beats free traffic. First of all, there are a growing number of brands, products, and services that are currently embracing the cost-effectiveness of content marketing. It's important to understand that even the most affordable marketing strategies to drive traffic require some financial investment. If you think that free traffic is a better option than paid traffic, you may want to consider utilizing paid traffic instead if you want to improve the effectiveness of your content marketing campaigns with relative ease. Now, you might be wondering why paid traffic is the better option compared to free traffic. Let me convince you with a couple of reasons. First of all, paid traffic allows you to easily earn highly targeted viewers. Highly targeted viewers are basically your target market, and by using paid content, it's easier for you to reach wider and faster compared to free traffic. Unlike using free content marketing platforms, paid traffic sources provide vast features for you over your ad copy, banner designs, and other advertising elements, which can develop your site visitors into your highly targeted traffic. Google AdWords, Facebook, and other PPC, pay-per-click sources easily allow you to target your highly targeted viewers by a few different factors, such as demographic, region, and devices. Up next, instead of heavily relying on broad promotions that cover all sectors or relying on organic search traffic, paid traffic campaigns, such as buy-sell ads, can be set up to easily drive highly targeted viewers to your website and content pieces. Whereas tools such as Alexa and Compete.com allow you to choose specific niche websites that are relevant to the content that you want to promote, as well as making sure your highly targeted viewers are interested in your content. Additionally, it retargets features on AdWords, Facebook, and a select few programs that you can use to reduce the issue of banner blindness among Internet users. Banner blindness is essentially a phenomenon in web usage where Internet users would consciously or subconsciously ignore banner images, which are mainly due to broad promotions. Content discovery platforms such as Outbrain or Zemanta does content promotion for you on similar pages across the web. Links will be placed in the front of the target market who have recently consumed content on the same subjects. Moreover, this platform offers features to you to filter your traffic by device and region. This is to ensure that the paid traffic comes from visitors who are likely to convert. When it comes to free traffic, most business owners, particularly for those who own small or medium enterprises, heavily rely on SEO, search engine optimization, to save cost on their digital marketing campaign. Because owners should understand that SEO has never been nor will it ever be considered a free traffic. SEO takes a lot of work to maintain. With that comes the cost of an SEO firm or consultant is necessary to help identify opportunities and prioritize them. Furthermore, there are marketing tools that require cost to drive free traffic. So, what are the major setbacks with using free traffic? Firstly, it's time itself when using SEO. SEO generates tangible results from all of your efforts in a very slow time frame, which is mainly due to the process involved where the content is indexed by the search engines. Since SEO requires a longer time to generate sufficient results, it would also take a longer time to achieve a good return of investment, or ROI, from all your efforts. Due to that, it's an unfavorable situation, especially for small businesses that require substantial revenues in the short term, which they will use as revolving funds to maintain their continued business operations. Similar to paid traffic platforms, SEO will still require a big investment to gain highly targeted viewers. Unless the SEO is managed on your own, such as attracting backlinks and producing content, SEO is not a fully fledged, free digital marketing tool as most people would consider it. In the end, you may just end up hiring external support to build organic links and other SEO marketing activities to generate sufficient results from all of your marketing efforts. It would certainly happen if you are operating and marketing in a competitive niche market. Being at the top on the first page in a search engine result page is one of the most important aspects to gain substantial traffic, as most internet search users will likely not scroll past the first page and disregard the following pages. Using SEO or any other free traffic platforms will not provide immediate or guarantee to reach the first pages of the search results by just using the keywords that you are targeting with. Comparing between paid traffic and free traffic, you could see now that there is no such thing as free traffic. The amount of time and investment you pour in just to get an average result is not worth it at all. With that amount of resources, it's a sensible way to invest on paid traffic and get the best results from it. If paid traffic is the way to go, you would be asking yourself, what paid sources should I be using then? I'll list down the top 5 paid traffic sources that you should try and then apply it to your online marketing efforts. Compared to other top paid traffic sources, Google AdWords is the go-to option for every business person, even if it's a small or medium business. AdWords is basically the all-rounder paid traffic solutions for both search and display advertising. The best way to understand a visitor's intention to purchase your product is through understanding what the person is searching online, and AdWords is versatile in that aspect. It's still necessary to drive your visitors into visiting your site by using online marketing tactics and great content. Follow-up platform is the Facebook ad, which provides exceptional effective ways of driving targeted paid traffic. Facebook ad allows you to target audiences that are mirrored close to your existing customer base. Essentially, Facebook searches for people that are similar to your customers that have purchased your product before. Additionally, Facebook provides various options to target, such as demographic, geographic, contextual, or even behavior. Due to constant updates of the Facebook platform, it's necessary to keep tabs with the changes occasionally through blogs and updates. Next is Outbrain Amplify, which is similar to Google AdWords and Facebook. Amplify provides a cost-per-click bidding system, a function to test multiple headlines directed to the same content, device targeting, and geographic targeting. Compared to the other top platforms, Outbrain Amplify primarily works best in fostering relationships through great content to drive traffic to sites. If you're venturing into the B2B market, LinkedIn ads could be a great paid traffic source for you to drive traffic to your site. LinkedIn ads have 3 main advertising options, which are sponsored updates, display and text ads, and in-mail. Compared to other traffic platforms, LinkedIn ads allows you to target by job title and job functions. Other targeting options are location, age, gender, skills, company by name, industry, company size, school, and group. Among the top traffic sites, LinkedIn ads is priced on a cost-per-click basis, and it is expensive with a standard starting price at $4.50. Last but not least is Twitter ads, which provide good targeting options. Similar to Facebook ads, Twitter ads allow you to target by keyword, interests, and followers, and even a tailored audience. Similar to LinkedIn ads, it's quite pricey out of the gate, unless you have significant data for viewer targeting already. Overall, when it comes to the comparison and the differences between paid traffic and free traffic, you can see why paid traffic is essential if you're looking to gain the best out of your online marketing investments. Additionally, I hope you could understand and determine which traffic platform would ideally suit your business. The most significant point in building traffic is to build trust and showing value first, and you will gain results from these on your desired traffic platform.